Welcome everyone, I would like to show how to easily disable Windows 10 updates on your device. Now, there are many reasons why you want to do this. Me personally, every time I update the Windows version, because I'm using a modded AMD drivers, essentially boot camp completely breaks and I can't boot into the operating system. But maybe for you, it's just annoying, and to be honest, Windows updates are annoying. So in this video, I'll quickly show you how to disable them. So the first step is hold down the Windows key and the R key together. This is a command key because I'm using a MacBook, but for you should see the Windows key. So hold down Windows R, and then you'll see this run box, and just type services.msc right here, then click on OK. Then you'll be brought to a page like this. Scroll down to the bottom and you should see Windows Update. So you can see Windows Update. Just double click on this one. And you can see right here, we are brought to this page. So we see startup type. Currently it's manual, but we're going to set this to disabled. Now we'll click on apply. Okay. And now we are good to go. So when we restart our device, essentially Windows updates they won't annoy us anymore, right? You're not going to have that stupid red bar with like the Windows logo saying, oh, you need to update. And so that is the full process on how to disable Windows Update. Just make sure you restart your device. However, I want to get some apps, so I'm not going to do that. So I'll see you guys later.